Chemical tanker, cargo operations, preparation for loading. The cargo tanks are normally inspected and approved prior to loading. This does not necessarily relieve the vessel of responsibility for contaminations. The master owner carries the responsibility in taking due care of the cargo. To protect one's own interest, the vessel's own inspection should be recorded in the deck log. Loading operations. During the loading, at least one deck officer must be on duty and available at all times. At least one crew member must be on deck throughout the cargo operation. The officer on duty is to carry out the loading in accordance with the instructions received from the chief officer, which should at least encompass the agreements made with the loading master as well as the surveyor. Deballasting is a process by which seawater is taken in and one out of the ship when the ship is at the port or at the sea. The seawater carried by ship is known as ballast water. Transport. Cargoes carried by a chemical tanker differ widely in characteristics and mode of handling and thus in the care they require during transit. During the voyage, attention must be paid to the special needs of cargoes. Regular checks on tank contents should be made to detect an unexpected change in liquid level. Preparation for discharge. A chemical carrier's cargo containment and handling system are carefully designed and constructed under strict supervision to comply with the requirements of the IMO codes and SOLAS and MARPOL conventions in order to transport and handle safely the chemical that the ship is certified to carry. Discharging operation. It is essential that the accommodation is kept under positive pressure to prevent the entry of hydrocarbon vapors. The operation of sanitary galley extraction fans will cause a vacuum and therefore the air conditioning system intakes must not be kept fully closed. The accommodation air conditioning system should be maintained on partial recirculation during cargo operation. Inerting. The term inerting generally refers to the replacement of air in a cargo tank by an inert gas. In chemical tankers, most often by nitrogen, in order to prevent the formation of the flammable vapors, oxygenation of the product reduces humidity in the tank and protect the quality of the cargo. Ballasting. Ballasting is a process by which seawater is taken in and out of the ship when the ship is the port of the sea. In ancient times, ships used to carry solid ballast for stability as the cargo was minimal or this was no cargo to be carried. Tank cleaning. In most cargo sequence on product tankers, the cleaning may consist of no more than a simple hot or cold seawater wash. A simple water wash will disperse many types of chemicals and has been found effective between clean petroleum products such as gas oil and kerosene. However, it should be noted that there is a number of grade sequences, particularly in the petroleum product trade, where no washing at all needs to be carried out. Thus, the decision of necessary tank cleaning required in such trades is often made only when knowledge of the next grade to be loaded is obtained. Tank inspection. Tank inspection ensures the safety and integrity of above-ground storage tank by preventing accidental leaks and avoiding costly decontamination while providing critical data so lifetime and repair predictions can be made.